Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the essentials first. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 17 or later and paired to CarPlay via USB or Bluetooth. Once done, open Settings General CarPlay and confirm your vehicle appears. Make sure FaceTime is signed into your Apple ID. Now, start CarPlay on the head unit and unlock the iPhone if prompted. This allows permissions to pass through. After that, locate the FaceTime icon on the CarPlay home screen and tap it to begin. Once FaceTime is open in CarPlay, you can say, "Hey Siri, FaceTime Alice," or tap the contact icon to start a call. Using Siri reduces distraction. During a call, switch modes using the on-screen controls. Toggle audio only, switch to video, or enable speaker, depending on driving laws and safety. You can also accept or end calls with steering wheel buttons. Press the voice button to ask Siri to mute, switch cameras, or add a person. Make sure to keep attention on the road. To finish, end the FaceTime call and close the app on CarPlay, then safely disconnect your iPhone. If audio or video is poor, verify the USB cable is data capable, toggle Bluetooth, and restart the iPhone. These fixes resolve most connection glitches. If issues persist, check Settings FaceTime and Settings General CarPlay for microphone and camera permissions. Also confirm the head unit firmware is current. One key tip: try another contact to isolate network versus hardware problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.